Yo, what's good, YouTube, man? I'm so happy to see y'all again. I know it's been a little minute. Well, not that long, maybe like, maybe a few weeks or so. But yeah, I got another banger for y'all, man. Hold on, let me grab it right quick. Yeah, man, we're gonna be painting the wheels today. As y'all can tell in the title, we're gonna be painting the wheels. Right now, she dirty. I haven't cleaned her in probably a few weeks, real. My dog over there going crazy. But I haven't cleaned her in a few weeks, so we're going to do that. I got to clean the inside because it's junky as hell. I'm going to clean the wheels before I spray them. And let me show y'all another thing real quick. I took the tint off. I had to take the tint off because I got to get ready to get it inspected, so I took the tint off, man. Yeah. So yeah. So you really can see in there, and I don't really like it. But anyways, we gonna get right to it. And I got a few other things that I ordered for the car, but I can't really get it out because that's gonna be on a separate video. But before we get right into it, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, man. Share to your family, friends. Let's get right into it. All right, y'all. It's gonna be hard to wash this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wash it. Then I'm gonna come back to y'all because I don't got no cameraman or nothing like that. And for the wheels, I'm gonna try to set the camera up so y'all can see what I'm doing and shit. All right, let's go, man. All right, y'all boys, I done finished one side. I ain't hit the wheels yet because if y'all watch my car cleaning video, the last one I did, y'all already know why I didn't hit the wheels. But yeah, I got her shining good, as y'all can see, man. Link in description for that video too. It might pop up on the end of this one, just stay tuned. But now I'm gonna hit the other side. And then after that, I'm gonna get back with y'all once I do that, man. And then we gonna spray the wheels, and I can't wait. But until then, y'all stay tuned. All right, we gonna try that view.
He needs some milk.
Oh shit! Had to crank out a few push-ups right quick if any girls watching. Yeah, look at that shine, man. I love that shine, but I'm hoping that black don't look like matte black. I still wanted to give that shine. I don't know if I want to do this no more, YouTube. Damn, I still wanted to give it that shine, man. I don't know. Because I like that glossy. Because when I was in there, when I was in advance, I seen some glossy black, but I ain't gonna lie, I was like, I don't know, I don't know. I don't know, man. We just gonna trash it. If this don't look good, I can just repaint over it. Comment down below if I can just repaint over this paint. I don't know, shit. We just trying things. We living life, man. Big V8. Yeah, I'm gonna get back with y'all once I get this set up. I'm probably just gonna set the camera up now that I know that I can set it up, and I'm gonna get back with y'all. All right, y'all, so what I'm thinking is I'm gonna just spray it like this, and if it don't, because I know the inside of my wheel is chrome, and as you can see, I got the towel in the inside, so I don't spray the calipers, because you know the calipers is red on this car. So my inside gonna be chrome and out gonna be black. If it look weird, I'm gonna take the wheel off and spray it, like jack it up and take the wheel off. But I'm gonna just try it like this for now. Gonna see. I ain't gonna lie, that shit don't even look black though. I just sprayed it on the ground. Don't even look. Hold on, man. It's black, y'all. We gonna see what it do. So I'm gonna just start at the top. Go down like that. It don't look too bad so far. So yeah, what that look like? Pop's over there playing music and stuff, man. That's what it look like. It's runny as hell for some reason. Like I said, I ain't mad if this don't come out right. I'm not no professional or nothing like that, because I am getting different wheels for this car anyway, so I ain't really tripping about it either way it go. But from the way it look, that shit look runny as hell. I hope y'all can hear that music, man. Maybe I can like paint over it. I don't know why it look like that. Cause like I said, the rims is dry. I made sure to dry 'em. I don't know if it's like that because the wheel is on, so maybe I should have laid it down so the paint wouldn't run down, I'm guessing. I don't know. Maybe it's the paint. I don't know. Damn, people, what you got going on, man? You got something popping and stuff? Yo. Yeah, man, but this is what it look like from the distance. That don't look wet, though. But when you get up close, that motherfucker runny as hell, boy. I think that's what it was. I should have took the tire off, because if you think about it, the tire is standing up. So when you put something on it, it's going to run down. But I think I still can finesse it, though, to make it look good. Shit got hella bubbles in it for some reason. I don't know why I got all them damn bubbles. I ain't gonna lie, my ass dumb. I'm just trying to paint over the fucking bubbles, bro. Fix itself. It look like it's fixing itself, low key. It's definitely probably gonna be runny like that though, but fuck it, man. I'm gonna get back with y'all once I do the rest of them. It don't look that bad to me. I'm not no picky person, so I'm gonna get back with y'all though once I do the rest of them. All right, y'all. So mind the music. My pops just informed me that the reason that the wheel's gonna run regardless, what I gotta do is just let it do what it's doing. Do light coats, which I knew that. That's why I didn't do it that heavy. But the more coats I put over, it's gonna cover the runniness or whatever. So just keep doing light coat, light coat, light coat, light coat, and it should be fine. Just don't like, you know what I'm saying? Which I wasn't doing, as y'all can tell. But yeah, I like it, bro. That shit make the car look way meaner. I'm not gonna even lie to you. Let me get a thumbnail. Yeah, that might be the thumbnail. I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna get back with y'all once all the wheels is done. I just wanted to inform y'all with that. All right, y'all, I'm back with y'all, and I have not finished the wheels yet. Me and Pops was just talking, and he gave me an idea, man. So if y'all look down in here, you can see how it's got the aluminum or whatever the wheel is, the shiny part on the wheel is. I don't know if y'all can see. I don't really like that. So he told me it'll be hard as hell if I paint the inside red, you know, for the Black Widow theme. So the face gonna be black and the inside gonna be red. So we finna run down to Advance right now and get the paint for that. And then once I my bad, my allergies. Once I get back with y'all, once I get back here, I'm gonna show y'all what I'm talking about if y'all don't understand. I ain't gonna lie, this gonna be hard, man. This definitely gonna be hard. I'm telling you, man. That's before. Can't really say after because we're going to do more paint, but that's a little bit after. That shit look mean, and that red is gonna go crazy. I ain't gonna lie. But y'all boys stay tuned, man. I'm gonna be right back, like literally seconds. Like, matter of fact, let me show y'all how quick it's gonna be. All right, y'all, man. We just got back. That's what we working with. I got the red paint. I got the air gun. We jack the car. We gonna take the lug nuts off, and we gonna paint the inside red. I'm gonna set y'all right here so y'all see this. So y'all can see this air gun work my ass. Like Pop said. Clown. Clown. I don't know why I keep saying we. I gotta clean this, and then we gonna spray it red. Probably go get the water bottle now. We're gonna try to get most of it off. All right, y'all. So we done sprayed the insides again. Just putting coats over coats. And just to let y'all know, I did not prime these wheels because I don't plan on having them on that long. But if you are planning on having them on, do prime coats. There go the kids right there. But yeah, that's what we got so far. I sprayed the caliper, as you've seen. That done dried. That's what that look like. All right, YouTube. I'm gonna show y'all the finishing product or whatever, however y'all want to call it. But this shit's, yeah, I ain't gonna lie, it changed the whole appearance of the car. I'm gonna show y'all. Look at that, man. Black Widow in full effect, bro. Show you the other side. Black Widow is in full effect, bro. That shit wet, man. That shit's wet. So yeah, if y'all definitely think about doing this, if y'all got a black GXP, I don't really think it look good on the red ones, but the black on black, that shit crazy. And I got the Black Widow thing, and I got some more stuff coming for the car. I can't really say, but y'all go ahead, like, comment. I hope y'all can hear me. Hold on, let me go over here. Y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. Oh, let me show y'all the inside. I cleaned the inside. I got some air fresheners and stuff on the inside, but y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. Like I told y'all from the beginning, excuse me. I told y'all from the beginning, it's a whole lot coming to this car. I'm pretty sure a lot of y'all thought I was kidding, but now y'all see, I ain't all talk. It's a lot coming to this car, and it's just the simple things, you feel me? But yeah, I cleaned it up, shined the seats up, you know, detail about me, you feel me? But yeah. It's a lot coming to this car, man. Y'all stay tuned. Y'all better stay tuned. If y'all like these GXPs, I'm the man. I'm the man to watch because I love them. And I want to do so much to this car. So y'all go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, man. Tell your friends to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend. And let's eat together. I love y'all, man. I appreciate all the love I've been getting. We at 32 subscribers, bro. 32 subscribers. That last video I did with my boy with the RT, I ain't gonna lie, that shit was a bomb video. Y'all gotta go look at that. Go look at that. It was a bomb video. But yeah, your boy Ellis for Dre out, man.